Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making sure both devices are ready and connected. Once done, open the contact or settings screen that creates a transfer QR code. You need the target phone's camera access and any carrier confirmation code. Enter or verify the number if prompted. Make sure you enable nearby sharing or QR generation features in settings. Once the QR appears, keep the generating phone steady and explain to the recipient to open their scanner or transfer app now. You now focus on the receiving device. Open the camera or app scanner and point it at the displayed QR code. Once detected, tap the on-screen action to start. You will likely need to authorize with a PIN, fingerprint, or carrier OTP. Do that promptly so the handshake completes. The apps exchange data securely. During this step, don't close apps or switch networks. Once the transfer request appears, verify the number and approve. Make sure both devices show a progress indicator. You finish by verifying the number on the receiving phone in contacts or the relevant settings. Once it's listed, test by calling or messaging the number. If the transfer failed or the number isn't visible, restart both phones and retry scanning. Network handshakes often resolve after reboot. If problems persist, check carrier restrictions and use the transfer reference or OTP when contacting support. Remember, slow networks, mismatched carrier policies, or expired codes are the most common.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.